Hey friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make these low-carb chicken lettuce wraps. So if you're interested in seeing how I make these, keep watching. So these are all the ingredients that you will need for this recipe. You will need hoisin sauce, teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, sriracha, cornstarch, rice wine vinegar. I also use butter lettuce, 1 pound of ground chicken, 2 green onions, oil, and garlic. And I found this recipe on Pinterest, so I will go ahead and just leave it listed below in the description box. So now I'm just taking all the ingredients that were shown, and I'll be showing them here and just mixing them in a little bowl.
We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
This is the ground chicken that I will be using, and then I'm just going to take some coconut oil and warm that up on the stove before I brown the chicken. Once the chicken is mostly cooked through, I'm just going to take a little bit of minced garlic and add that for some flavor.
To see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
And then I'm going to take that mixture and just pour it all over the ground chicken. And I'm going to let this cook through just a little bit longer, just so the flavors incorporate into the meat.
Meant to be.
Here is the butter lettuce that we used, and then I'm just going to chop up some green onions just to put on top of mine.
You and me, meant to be.
And that is it, guys. This is the final product. These tasted really good. I would recommend for a larger family like ours to just do a little bit more. This was not super filling, but it is healthy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.